So the VIX is increasing, indicating that the markets are a little bit on the scared side. VIX closed at 1899, up 1.83. So VIX is climbing back up. So we should start thinking about keeping profit, limiting losses until this goes away. In this video, we are going to take a look at Tesla. We are going to take a look at the stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So Tesla is down $24.11, closed at 444.26. That's down 5.15%. So let's recap our patterns that are at play. Big bullish channel, we are still in it, no problem at all. Smaller bullish channel, we are officially outside of it today. We have been zigzagging for the past week, above, inside, outside, inside, outside. So now, today, we are outside of the bullish channel. In terms of the congestion zone, we said 467 and we caved in below that 457. The bottom part of the congestion zone is 410.25. This is the congestion zone, so we are now back into it. Whereas yesterday, we started to go higher outside of it. We know what is going to happen November 6th. It's Tesla's investors meeting, and we are going to know if Elon's pay package is going to be accepted. If it's not accepted, this is going to be hard for Tesla. It's going to be very, very hard for the stock. If it is accepted, then this should give a nice boost. So we are just waiting for that decision to be made by their shareholders. If you have some Tesla share, you can keep them, hoping that the pay package is going to be approved and the share should be coming back up. Or you sell and plan on buying back. So there are two choices and nobody knows that information. But we see right here the effect on the market. So the market is really volatile for Tesla, at least going higher and lower. On the good side, Tesla is still higher than 440.13. Still higher than 440.13 right here. And that support has held. At 440.13, this has held. And also, if you look at this support line right here, this is a support line that we had in the past. We are still right smack on it. Right smack on it, and we have been bouncing on it for a long time. So today we are stopping on it. November 6th is going to be solved soon, and then if we start breaking that bullish channel support, then this is going to get worse. Dow Jones back on support. We have erased pretty much every gain that we had since 2 weeks ago. We are back above 47,039. SPX, pretty much the same thing. We are back on support at 67.51. QQQ also almost back on support. Nasdaq also back on support. But this is not unheard of. This is not unheard of. When we have a congestion zone, we break it, that we come back to retest it. So it might be just that. If we go lower, then we can conclude that no, it's not just that. But right now, we can conclude much else. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold and silver, no stochastic. We have seen them go down, and right now this is their current bearish channel. So I would not touch that with a 10-foot pole, both for gold and silver. Don't touch them. And the fact that they are not doing well tells me that the stock market should be and will be doing better soon. Bitcoin, this is the current bearish channel, and now we are outside of it. Support at 98,094 for Bitcoin. If we go lower, then we are going back to 88,900. Ethereum, pretty much the same pattern. So Ethereum broke below 33.53. Ethereum is really breaking support after support. If we continue this way, the next stop is going to be 2,700 for Ethereum as support. And if we look at BMNR, of course, BMNR has been affected. We are right on support at 39.58 right now. If we lose this, we are going to 29.65. This is not the best week. Tesla is having its shareholders meeting. And also the government shutdown is starting to drag on pretty far. So even though Trump has made a deal with China to reduce the tariffs and everything, this should have sent the stock market ripping higher, but probably because of the government shutdown, there is so much uncertainty. We just need to wait this out. You can trim your position, you can limit loss, you can take profit. It's okay to do that because we are going to be right there to see it when it starts to pick back up. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.